Okay, in the house, Red. He doesn't want to go in the house. He's been out here barking excessively at something back there in the wood line. Good. I've seen some fox and I've seen a coyote. There are deer, but he's been barking too long and it's probably disturbing the neighbor's dinner. So, but I just wanted to record him because he will not come to the house. I had to physically go get him, and I don't have a collar on him because everybody got a bath today, so they're drying out. Red, we're going in the house. Look, go in the house. Let's go. Come on. Come, Red. He does not want to come in the house. Come on, Red. Don't worry, I'm going to get the girls. Everybody's coming in the house. Come on. Come on, Red. Red. Let's go, Red. Come on, Raven and Autumn. Come. They're just like sitting there. They know. They have been trained. They're just being so defiant. This is the new millennium. Is this what we're doing now? Raven and Autumn, let's go in the house. Raven, in the house. Autumn. What is she doing? Get up, Red. Let's go. And then people wonder why I yell. Because they won't listen. Come on, Red. Autumn. What are you guys alerting on? What is it? They're alerting on something. I don't know what it is. Come on, Autumn. Let's go, Red. I call Autumn and Red Medea and Joe. That's the kind of relationship they have. Because Red, he is not our stud. I use studs from European bloodlines, champion bloodlines, to enhance the diversity of the pups. And I only have a litter once every 2 years, so it's not like I'm pumping a bunch of puppies out or anything like that. I don't believe in that. I believe in just improving the breed, and if I do that once every 2 years, and I cycle my girls out like that as they, cross the rainbow bridge, I keep a puppy from probably their granddaughter or something like that. So I'm just mixing it up, but they're beautiful dogs. They're very intelligent. Mine act like people, like teenagers. They're just kind of defiant right now. So, all right, I'm gonna get them in the house. I'll talk to you guys later.